Hi folks, Sean PRV here with Bell Camper Sales. I want to invite you to come take a look at this 2022 that we have on closeout. It's a really nice Gulfstream Trailmaster. It's a 241 RB. So why don't you come with me and we'll check out the exterior first on this nice unit. Welcome back folks, Sean PRV with Bell Camper Sales. We're looking at a 2022 Gulfstream Trailmaster, the 241 RB. I'm just going to go up to the nose of this and show you just how much storage you have, and it passes all the way through, which is a nice feature. You've got a power awning, got your fold-up steps. This is a 24-foot trailer, and it's about, the total length on it is about 27. You've got your spare tire hooked onto your bumper, and you've got the caps where you can put your sewage hose in the bumper. You also have an additional cable antenna here, right there. And this is where you hook up your electric. That's a 30 amp. And here's where your dumps are. Right there, you have 4 stabilizer jacks, 1 on each corner. You've got a lot of nice visibility from the inside with those 2 windows in the living area, and then that's the front bedroom window area. This is what the storage looks like from the other side. So this trailer is going to weigh about 7,500 pounds, so easily towable. We also fill up your LP tanks and give you fresh new battery or batteries, whatever the case may be. So that gives us kind of the exterior view of this trailer. Now let's go to the interior. Come with me. So we're going to go inside this 2022. It's a Gulfstream Trailmaster, a 241 RB. Right when we go into the inside, you can see there's a scissor couch that folds into a bed. Then over to the sink. Lots of storage. There's your microwave. There's your 2-burner stove, rather. Your refrigerator right there. Lots of cabinet space. This goes down into a bed as well. That's your dinette. Really nice dinette. More storage in the back. So here's your rear bathroom. Nice and big. More storage. I really like the showers in these too. They've got a lot of headroom. Really nice with the skylight. And then you have your fan also, your vent. So this is what it looks like from the back side of the trailer looking forward. So let's go ahead and go on by here. We'll go into the bedroom now. It's got nice storage above, on both sides, and a place to set your drinks, phone, CPAP. You also have your USB ports and plug-ins on each side, which makes it nice. Nice window. Nice windows on both sides with dark out shades. And this is what it looks like from the bedroom looking back into the interior of your trailer. Really nice. This is a scissor couch, easy to fold into a bed. And that's your interior, folks, of the 2022 Gulfstream Trailmaster 241 RB. All right, folks, Sean PRV back here at Bell Camper Sales. I wanted to personally thank you for going through the video with me of the exterior and the interior of this Gulfstream Trailmaster 241 RB. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you can come see me. We've got this particular trailer on sale for only $22,777. We've knocked over 20 grand off of this. We want to see you and have you and your family camping in no time, or going and visit relatives, or going to ball games where you don't have to worry about getting a hotel. We're going to set you up with 2 free nights stay in our campground for everyone that purchases a trailer from us. We also are going to give you a $50 gift certificate and 15% off all your parts on day of delivery. So come see me, Sean P., or call 918-284-8026. That's 918-284-8026. And I'm Sean P. RV here at Bell Camper Sales. So come see me and we'll get you camping.